What's up, babes? Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Rose. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and also leave me a comment down below. What do you think about this vlog? So today I am at the mall. I just left my gynecologist and I was so close to the mall, so I'm like, okay, let me come to the mall because I need something for Callie, because Elijah's birthday coming. I need an outfit for her. I got her 2 outfits. I didn't really like them, so I'm gonna see if I find something here at Macy's. Also, I need H&M. Yeah, so I'm gonna just go and browse and see what I can find, pretty much, because we are going to be spending 48 hours in Miami next week, and I need a few things. So let's go and see what we can find. This vlog is going to be short and sweet, and of course entertaining. So I'm planning on dropping this vlog before I head to Miami because I don't want to have too much content. So this vlog might be a very short, okay? There's actually a storm going on today. Oh, my car's still on. There's actually a storm going on today. When I was coming here, I'm like, where are the cars? It's because there is a storm, but you know, there's no school today because of the storm. Let me go that way. There's no school today because of the storm. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but when we get inside, I'll talk to you guys. The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on with. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that I'm actually at H&M. You know, Janelle's birthday coming, and I'm like, let me get him a few shirts. Why not? Why not? I'm looking for tan brown, like neutral color for fall. Just some basic. This is nice. Heading to Macy's. Hopefully I find Callie clothes there. So let's go. Thank you, it's okay. So we are now, so we are now going to Macy's. I got a lot of stuff from H&M, you guys, a lot. Look at the view. The mall is not as busy today. Obviously, I told you guys there's a storm, tropical storm Ellen. So now we are heading to Macy's. Let's go. Love it when people watch me while I vlog. So sorry. So yeah. Ask me why I'm at Bath and Body Works, but I think I'm gonna get some, you know, not perfumes, what do you call it, men soap, body wash. So this smells really good, so I might try this one. Let's see. Oh my goodness, it is so hot outside, and I didn't even buy a drink. It's so freaking hot. I don't know where I put the fork. Of course, I didn't find anything here. I'm going to Old Navy because that's where I got all the good clothes for the kids. But of course, I bought a lot of stuff from H&M. Got some stuff from Bath and Body Works. Yeah. Let's go. Hey, you guys. I am getting ready to go to yoga. I am on time today. I am on time. Thank God. So, all right. Let me put some perfume really quickly. So, the General, I keep this in my car. And let's go. I think I got everything. Okay. Let's go. Hey, y'all. Yoga is done. Starbucks is so packed today. I'm trying to grab something quick to put in my stomach because I am about to go get my nails done. So, I'm just trying to get something in my stomach. So I'm getting a cheese Danish with, maybe I should get a banana bread. I'm getting a banana bread and chai latte add matcha. Okay, I am gonna get it right this time. So that's what I want. I'm actually ordering some hair right now on Amazon. I was debating. I bought 2 wigs. I don't like them, not for this occasion, because y'all know I am going to spend 48 hours in Miami next week and I need to look good. So I bought 2 wigs. I do not like them, so I'm gonna order a straight one and a curly one. I don't know. And Elijah's birthday coming, so this is the reason why I really wanted to get my hair done in a different way, because right after Miami, when we come back, I am going to be taking care of Elijah's birthday, so I don't want to be dealing with my hair, so that's why I'm ordering the hair right now. So yeah, and I was supposed to get a sewing. The hair's coming tomorrow, and the hair's coming tomorrow. I was supposed to have Keisha sew it in for me, but I don't know. I'm gonna reach out to her tonight to see if she's available for her to do a sewing for me, because I want it to last until next month. So I'm gonna place the order. Hopefully the hair comes tomorrow. Praying, crossing my fingers, because I would love to get my hair done tomorrow. If she's not available to do my hair, I think I might do a quick weave again. This time very different. I am actually going to, well, I can't say much right now because that's too much for y'all to hear. So yeah, $64. So I bought 3 bundles, 1 closure, 3 bundles. It's coming on Monday. And this is why I hate Amazon. I'm gonna
Morning. How are you? I'm good. Thank you.
Okay, this is why I can't stand Amazon. How you gonna tell me the thing is coming tomorrow? Now you said Monday. Before I ordered it, it says tomorrow at 4 in the morning. Now it's saying Monday. Like, why? I hate that. Now I'm wondering if I should cancel it and go to the actual store and get me something. Why would you do that? It's my fault for waiting at the last minute, but still. But yoga was good. I don't think I said anything about yoga. Yoga was good. There was less people today. The atmosphere was great. Everything was great, actually. I feel good. I'm going to get my nails done. After that, we are going to do a little shopping because today is Saturday. I have to cook for the kids. You know, ooh, this thing doesn't want to stay. We good. Y'all know I don't have I do have a car mount. I just don't use it because this thing is long, and then when you put it, it's like it's touching the dashboard. It's just, yeah, that's why I don't use it. But I just placed the order for my hair. Tell me why they told me it's coming. It's coming all the way till Monday. Look at that banana bread. So good. So good. I was actually vlogging for Instagram. Now I forgot. Not Instagram. For whatchamacallit? TikTok. Hey y'all, spend a Saturday with me. It's 8:15. We are heading to yoga class. Today's class was actually pretty intimate. There was not a lot of people, which I truly enjoy. I love doing yoga, you guys. This is where I release all my stress, my tension after a long week of working. After yoga, we head to Starbucks to grab our favorite snack, a banana bread with a chai tea latte, add matcha. It's so freaking good. After that, I had to go get my toes done because they were not looking so good, so to the salon. And then I had to get a wax because we're heading somewhere next week and I need to be looking on point, okay? Next, I went back in the car, checked myself out, add some more lip gloss, and then head to Publix because we got to make food for the kiddos. So this is everything that I got from Publix. I know Publix is a little bit expensive, but I love shopping there. It's just so relaxing shopping there. It's less chaotic and everything is pretty much fresher in my opinion. I don't know what y'all think. So I am making stewed chicken for the kids today. So we are going to grab some chicken, eggs, some snack, and some facial stuff that I needed as well. I've never tried this shea butter dove before. I'm gonna give it a try and let you guys know what I think. See y'all later. This is literally way later. I started doing my hair at 7 a.m. I had to stop, do some stuff, but we back like we never left. So I just finished the melting down. So this is what method is that? The lace behind the hairline method, and it's freaking eating. It's eating so much. Y'all see it? I mean, you can see a little. I'm about to try to, make it look more natural, but it is looking really good. I'm just in shocked that now I am able to show my edges. When I tell you this update is about to come your way, if you're a thin edges girly, stay tuned. November, I'm gonna give you all the tea, everything that I do. Okay? Now that I'm able to even leave my edges out, I'm just so happy. So yeah, I'm pretty much done. This is a quick weave. I glue the back, sew the, that's not a frontal, a closure, sew the closure and melt the lace a little. And that's pretty much it. I'm trying not to make it too flat so it can give that perm natural look, but I'm loving it. Love it. The length is not too outrageous. I'm about to cut the little ends and stuff. This is a 22. They sing it's a 22, but it's not giving 22. But it looks good though. It's not, I wish it was fuller. It's giving natural, but my hair is all done. Now it's time for lashes. I am wearing these lashes, okay? I'm not going too big. I want something that looks natural. You know, just a little volume. That's what we're looking for. So I have to prep my lashes first. So let's do that. Oh, I did tinted my eyebrows this morning. They still looking good. They look so good. Y'all know I got it waxed. And then when I got home, I pretty much tinted them and they look so good. I love how they turn out. So natural. It's all about natural. Like, what? Girl, bye. Natural, so natural. And I'm using some makeup remover just to remove any grease on my lashes. I'm gonna do one with y'all and the other one off camera. Okay, let's go. To go pack, do my nails, and then we out. So today's another day. My hair is probably looking a hot mess, but I am in the middle of packing my clothes so we can go to Miami. I'm leaving in 1 hour, so I don't have time, but I do have my stuff already organized, so this packing should be quick. So let's get onto it. Obviously today is the next day if you guys have not noticed, so let's pack. So I was going with my duffel bag, and you know girls, we always overpacked. So I'm like, this is not gonna take all the stuff that I, although it's not a lot of days over there, the max of outfit that I need is 6. But you know, us girls, we always wanna just overpack, but I'm trying not to. I'm not gonna overpack. So let's see here. I already have everything folded, so I don't have to mess anything up. So I got some cute stuff from Cider, you guys. First time getting anything from Cider, and their clothes are great. Quality is great. I already have 3 outfits here. Definitely gotta bring a PJ. Hold on. Our makeup bag, we have our facial bag, and you gotta have the selfie lights, definitely sunscreen, and pretty much everything else, little knick-knack, just to keep you smell good, pads just in case, and that's pretty much it. And also I have my jewelry and my sunglasses that I am going to bring. All right guys, I am all packed up and ready to go. Y'all will see me when I get to Miami. So thank you for watching. Be back here next week for the Miami vlog. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna have a fun 3 days. So see y'all later. All packed up. Let's go.